Title: Unleashing the Power of YouTube Automation, Revolutionize Your Channel's Success. Welcome, fellow YouTube trailblazers. Today, we embark on an electrifying journey that will transform the way you conquer the YouTube realm. Brace yourselves as we uncover the awe-inspiring world of YouTube automation, a force that will revolutionize your channel's success. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your creative prowess. Behind the curtain of YouTube automation lies a treasure trove of hidden potential. Imagine a world where time is no longer a constraint, where every moment is devoted to crafting exceptional content that captivates your audience. Get ready to unlock this transformative power. Prepare to witness the rebirth of consistency. Through automation, your channel becomes a symphony of flawless execution as optimized titles, tags, and descriptions create a harmonious flow that resonates with viewers and skyrockets your content's discoverability. Prepare to ascend to new heights as we delve into the extraordinary realm of content scheduling. By harnessing the magic of tools like TubeBuddy and Hootsuite, you become the maestro of time, orchestrating the perfect release of your videos at strategic moments, ensuring your audience is left in awe. Watch as your channel's growth takes flight on the wings of automation. With VidIQ and Morning Fame as your trusty companions, you unlock the secret language of algorithm, optimizing your videos' metadata and breathing life into your creations. Prepare to conquer the digital landscape with unrivaled finesse. In the grand theater of YouTube, engaging with your audience is paramount. Yet, the challenge of managing an ever-flowing stream of comments can be overwhelming. Fear not. With automated comment moderation tools by your side, you become the captain of your community's ship, sailing through calm waters while fostering genuine connection. Forge unbreakable bonds with your audience as you navigate the tempestuous seas of engagement. By freeing yourself from the shackles of manual moderation, you have the power to cultivate a sanctuary of respect, fostering a vibrant community that thrives on meaningful interaction. The tides are turning in your favor. Prepare to enter the realm of wisdom as we unravel the secrets hidden within YouTube's analytics and reporting. Automation becomes your guiding light, illuminating the path to success. With tools like Google Analytics and ingenious third-party platforms, you embark on a quest to unravel the enigma of your channel's performance. Watch as the fog of uncertainty dissipates, revealing a panoramic view of your channel's growth. The realm of automation grants you unparalleled insights, audience demographics, engagement patterns, and trends, guiding you toward informed decisions that shape your content strategy. Rise above the masses and soar to new heights. In the ever-expanding universe of social media, your content yearns to make its mark. Enter the realm of automation tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, where the spark of your creativity ignites a wildfire that engulfs platforms far and wide. Watch as your content roars to life, captivating audiences beyond the confines of YouTube. Embrace the power of synergy as your YouTube channel and social media presence intertwine. Witness the alchemy that occurs when automation fuels your social media cross-promotion. Your content becomes a force of nature, captivating the hearts and minds of a vast, interconnected audience. Prepare for the storm of success. Behold, the power of YouTube automation. As we conclude this exhilarating odyssey, remember to harness this extraordinary force responsibly, staying true to YouTube's guidelines. Now, armed with the secrets we've unveiled, go forth, fellow creators, and conquer the YouTube realm like never before. Let the symphony of automation and creativity propel you toward unparalleled success. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling expedition. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the transformative power of automation and reshape the landscape of YouTube. Until we meet again, may your creations inspire and your journey be extraordinary.